ICA is a unique place for several reasons. It allows us to bring contemporary art to Richmond in a way that is based in research, it's based in inquiry. It allows us to be open and experimental and to respond specifically to the needs of a larger art world or the community. One thing that we really focus on here at the ICA are commissions, starting projects with artists from the very beginning of their idea, thinking about how our resources and our proximity to VCU could help bring projects to life. Us not having a collection allows us that freedom to take on issues and or circumstances that are immediately important to people. Great Force really started from a place of inquiry about the histories that are so deep-seated in Virginia, specifically in Richmond. We're attached to a major research institute, and I think in a city where the conversation is so much about black and white, Confederate, non-Confederate, North and South, it's really important for us to think about both how we can honor history, but how we can think about history as a topic to be researched. It became really important to think about the reality of division on a racial line and how it shapes our public imagination. In this show, there is a really concerted effort by the artists to think about the ways in which racialized trauma follows people, and particularly follows artists who produce work. To teach the public about their experience through racial trauma and what is really the complexity and the beauty that is Black life and resilience in the United States. Tomashi Jackson's project, titled Monuments of Color, Red, Green, and Black. It's an oil stick drawing on the facade of our building that represents incredibly important, not only Richmond citizens, but American citizens. So people like Maggie Walker, Spotswood Robinson III, Dorothy Height, Alicia Raisin, who was in almost every single homicide scene in Richmond comforting families. Raymond Boone and John Mitchell Jr. are all represented on the window. Having this be a place where we can attempt to reassess our historical trauma and make something new of it, I think that's really important to us.
If you don't have a chance to catch Great Force, don't worry. The ICA has a fully illustrated publication of the exhibition that gives an overview, text on each artist, and more.